Good afternoon, everyone. I request everybody to kindly make yourself comfortable at your seats and please keep your phones on silent mode. Thank you. आदर अभिनंदन आभार नमस्कार आदाब सत श्री अकाल hello and very good evening to respected MD and CEO sir, ED sirs, CGMs, all respected dignitaries present here, BCG team, NPCI team, and members of PNB Parivar. I, Namrata Agarwal, on behalf of Credit Card and Merchant Acquiring Business Division and Retail Assets Division, welcome you all in the launch event of Pre-Qualified Credit Card and Loan Against Deposit. Banking has undergone transformation from traditional to the new age of digital technology. This change has been focused on increasing accessibility and value of customers by adding new technology based services. Digitalization is also one of the top priority of government of India with a vision to transform India into a digital empowered and knowledge economy, to strengthen our credit card portfolio, and also in an endeavor to extend digital products to our customers. The bank has designed a hassle free journey for its customers that is pre qualified credit card in just few clicks. Eligible customers under this facility will be able to avail credit card via digital channels like mobile banking app PNB One, internet banking, and bank's website. Similarly, we are also introducing loan against fixed deposit, a three-click and single OTP based journey. Customers do not need to visit branch and can get loan against deposit up to rupees 5 lakh via digital channels. Both the journeys are completely paperless and hassle free. Today, we are going to launch both these digital products for our customers. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, जैसा कि हमारे देश की परंपरा है, किसी भी शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत हमेशा ईश्वर के नाम के साथ होती है. Before we begin anything auspicious, we always light the auspicious lamp. May I request Honorable MD and CEO Sir, ED Sirs, and Shri Ashish Garg and Shri Varun Kejriwal from BCG to please come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony. Thank you, sirs. It gives me immense delight to inform you all that this event is also streaming live on our bank's YouTube channel. Executive Director Shri Kalyan Kumar Sir is driving digital transformation in the bank. He is also Domain Executive Director of Credit Card and Merchant Acquiring Business Division and Digital and Technology segment of the bank. Now, I may please invite our ED Sir, Shri Kalyan Kumar Sir, to share his thoughts and enlighten all of us.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Respected MD sir, my colleague executive directors, all chief general managers, Sri Ashish Gargji, Barun, and BCG team, and all my dear members of PNB Parivar, those who are present here and also connected through web. Warm welcome to each one of you. This is wonderful journey. I just recall last month on 6th of July, we have launched one digital product, pre-approved personal loan. And that journey, really, I will say it is going on nicely. Today's figure, Mr. Dohre used to report me on daily basis at frequent intervals. Today's figure is it is 206 crore. It is power of being digital. You all can estimate doing such kind of business of 206 crore at the convenience of customer is possible only through digital. Otherwise, huge manpower and all this documentation, frustration to customers of signing so many documents. You can understand the convenience to customer through this digital journey. Hopefully, you all will agree with me that digital is future and customer centricity is the main thing. In that direction, our team is working day and night. I am using this word day and night because I am part of that cross-functional team WhatsApp group. I observe their deliberations even late in the night, and I appreciate my team digitization who are really giving its best. And really, I request you all to give huge round of applause for the team digital banking department. Even private sector bank, I am not exaggerating the things. Based upon my discussion and observation, I can say even private sector banks will have difficulty to deliver products in less than 25 days. This is power of PNB Parivar. I am putting this fact in front of you. On 18th July, our Honorable MD sir during morning meeting said that whether we can go for pre-qualified credit card or number of digital journey, which is very much important. And sir has given date by 30th September. If it is possible, it will be okay. I gave this target to my team internally that 15th August actually we want to get it inaugurated. And my team informed me on 6th of August or 2nd of August that it is ready for CUG, used for closed user group. And 12th August they came to me, sir, we are ready for its inauguration on 15th August. This is the power of PNB. और जो सर बोलते हैं पीएनबी बदल रहा है, आई थिंक इससे अच्छा एग्जाम्पल कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. रियली पीएनबी बदल रहा है और अपनी ताकत को पहचान रहा है. जो ताकत उनके पास पहले से थी, उस ताकत को अच्छी तरह से पहचान रहा है और इस जर्नी पे अपने पोटेंशियल को अचीव कर रहा है. The whole PNB Parivar, actually, this is not limited to team digitization, other business verticals and all. I will give you one example also. I was traveling to Jaipur on Saturday. I asked Mr. Dore when this figure will cross 200 crore. That day it was 191 crore. I am talking about PAPL. I told him that by Monday, please cross by 200 crore. I received call in the evening. Sir, we have crossed 202 crores. On that day itself, आप इच्छा करिए और वो चीज आपके पास वक्त से पहले हाजिर है. This is power of PNB. Again and again I am talking about this. And this journey, ये सिलसिला चल निकला है. इस सप्ताह में और भी PNB 1 में बहुत कुछ होने वाला है. Just I am sharing with you. In this week itself, in PNB 1 and internet banking, interoperable scan and pay. This is very useful tool which our app was not having. My team has developed this, and in this week itself they are going to make it live. Very useful app which these days people use it most. Ad hoc payment using IFSC and account number. SIM binding to checking SIM on any login in Android app for new registration, activation. And TPIN. TPIN, this time it is somehow alphanumeric and special character. Only this was demand in Samvad also. One day it was there. Now our team is ready to activate it within this week itself. In internet banking also, corporate IBS beneficiary merger, common beneficiary for NEFT RTGS, and change in approach in EFD and RD for joint accounts. this week itself, this products also our digital banking transformation department is going to make it live. Also, there is one product, digital product, which is being launched today. It is loan against FD, straight through process, where customers himself can landmark their FD available not only on digital FD but also on account based FD also. And anytime round the clock, any customer can get secure loan against FD up to 5 lakh. Initially, we are permitting it up to 5 lakhs only. These two digital products we are launching today, and shortly our MD sir will launch it. Now you will see that every month we have planned that in next few months, every month some surprises you will have. So positive surprises means number of new digital journeys. One is KCC renewal. Good number of our branches people productive time are actually wasted in renewing all these things. That is also under development. KCC renewal up to 1.60 lakhs where mortgage is not required. That process is going on. And Sisu Mudra, we are thinking next month, these two new digital products we will be able to launch. I take this opportunity to request you all to own this product. The way you all have nurtured and marketed this PAPL, because without your support, this is development team. But unless it is marketed well, if you don't publicize among the customers or prospective customers, or you increase the funnel of eligible customers by mobilizing salary accounts, and whenever you are talking to or those who are connected from field, if you are talking to our field functionaries, please tell them to mobilize maximum number of salary accounts, good corporate accounts, and in coming days also in PNB1, number of initiatives our bank is planning, including revamping of PNB1, corporate mobile app, number of digital initiatives will be hosted on our PNB1 app. Please publicize it, please own it and publicize it. I am sure, as my team has shown their effectiveness and excellence in not only in developing but also simultaneously increasing the business numbers. So in this cohesiveness and close coordination among all the team members, this is the power of new PNB, I will say. So my best wishes, and really from core of my heart, I am thankful and grateful to my team who has really delivered it in a very wonderful way. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Someone very rightly said, gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom, and sharing it with others is the first step to humanity. Thank you, ED sir, for sharing your valuable ideas with us. Boston Consulting Group has been associated with the bank as consultant for many projects. Today we have with us Shri Ashish Garg, Managing Director and Senior Partner BCG. He has led BCG projects with major public sector banks and finance ministry.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. MD sir, ED sirs, respected CGMs, GMs, field functionaries, other dignitaries in the room. First of all, a big congratulations on what we just heard from ED Shri Kalyan Kumar. This is really a moment of joy. And of course, thank you for allowing us to be here to share this moment of joy with you. Sir, as I was sitting and reflecting back on how you are thinking about moving forward, actually 4 ideas come to my mind, and I'll just like to share them with you. It feels like PNB is already on this path, so there is very little that can be now shared, but I'll still kind of make an attempt on, as you think about your digital journey, as you think about making PNB a digital bank. So let's say, sir, in 3 years now, 3 years from now, 2 years from now, you can think of almost creating a 2.5 lakh crore rupee bank, which is just a digital bank. So, with the kind of power PNB has, this can be created. I want to make 4 points, sir. So the first point I want to make, as you think about digital and as you want to think about really creating disruptive moves in the market, I think the speed of execution becomes very important. Uh, in fact, the element of surprise, the element of refresh I think, is very important. So while innovation is important, the speed of innovation becomes even more important. And I think what we have seen and witnessed today in the last few weeks at PNB, I think is a testimony of what can be achieved. Uh, the more we will execute, the more we will learn, the more we can be nimble on the ground, the more business we can garner. And of course, as rightly said, digitization allows you to approach the market in a slightly more cost competitive advantage, and you can make changes as you go along. Sir, innovation has no limits. Today we are launching digital journeys. We launched PAPL. Now we are at PQCC. We are looking at OD against FDs. We can further reduce it. We can further sharply narrow it down to personalization. We can make offers to people which are very specific to their context. How do we do it? So innovation and speed of innovation, I think, is paramount as we think about success. I think, sir, while this is digital journey and it will feel like it is happening from the head office, unless the field is geared and absorbs it, actually this will have no meaning, because this is not for people here in head offices and zonal offices and FGM offices. It's really about every branch. And again, what my team suggests, sir, that we have about 4,500 branches, 4,500 branches who have participated in our PAPL product. That's really remarkable that people understand this product. Similarly, for PQCC, for EOFD, EOD against your FD, I think every branch should be able to participate. If a branch is not able to participate, we should feel obliged to really make it so simple and easy for every branch to participate. Then only the power and the ability of PNB to really move mountains will be visible, sir. And again, 200 plus crores business in about a month's time, about from 4,500 branches, really suggests PNB can do it. In fact, sir, world over, digital businesses are also moving into physical world. I mean, Amazon, which was purely a e-com player, is now starting to open some physical stores. So I think we are starting with a very strong physical base, and now with digital, I think we need to really bring the two together to tango. I think, sir, the third thing is, while 200 crore rupees is a good number, sir, we should not be happy with 200 crore rupee number. I know sir has set up a target of about 5,000 crore rupees. And why not? Last time we heard on PAPL how much the three banks, big banks put together, are able to do. It's good quality of business. It's good business. It also engages our customers very well. So, for example, on FD side, my understanding is that we have about 3.5 lakh crore rupees of FD in the bank. So even a fraction of that, if that can be used for OD, we will be actually sitting on both the sides of business, which will be very, very secure, and it will be incredible. So anything that we do digital, whether it is 5,000 crore rupees of PAPL or X amount of number on PQCC or EOD, I think business approach really galvanizes all of us. And finally, sir, I think we use PNB1 and one PNB now a little bit interchangeably, but this is really the power of one PNB. Last time we were here celebrating all our departments with retail asset department in the front. Now today we are again assembled with all departments together, with the credit card department in front of, it kind of leading the charge. So I think at the end of the day, whether it is the risk department or the compliance department or the operations department, digital department, IT department, I think unless we all come together, it is just, we will really not be able to get the results. So once again, my heartiest congratulations to all of you. I think the roadmap is already very well laid out, both in terms of number of products that we will be launching. But I think as we just reorient ourselves to becoming a digital PNB bank, I think these four elements, speed, galvanizing the field, business outcomes, and power of one PNB becomes even more important and relevant. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts with us. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on, may I now request Shri Varun Kejriwal, Managing Director and Partner in BCG, to please come forward and tell us a bit more about these products. Let's welcome Shri Varun Kejriwal.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected MD sir, ED sirs, all the dignitaries from PNB, CGM, GMs, field functionaries, and my BCG team. Sir, I think when we started off about 2.5 months ago, we were still trying to lay the foundation of how a digital PNB can be, and it is so heartening to see how PNB has taken this in its stride. I think under the leadership of CGM sir and supported by the entire department and other people, what we proved in PNB PAPL is that we are able to launch a product in 6 weeks. What we have proved in PQCC and OD against FD is that we can even launch it in faster than that, which is 4 weeks. I think the challenge now has moved to getting business from these products. PAPL has proved that we can do it, and it has given us that burden of proof. It is now the opportunity for all of us to leapfrog the competition by really charging the business. What I want to spend the next 5 minutes on is actually walking you through the real journey that is going live today. So again, from all our side, heartiest congratulations, and I think it's an incredible achievement that we've been able to launch PQCC and OD against FD in less than 5 weeks. Let me first walk you through PQCC, which is pre-qualified credit card. Just in terms of features and keeping customer convenience at the center of the design of the journey, there are 6 things that I want to just focus on now. There are only 2 fields that are required to be filled in by the customer. Only 2 fields. Email address, which will also be auto-populated, and my name on the card. That is the only 2 fields that are required to be filled up by the existing to bank customer. This is again a single OTP journey. The card issuance will happen in less than 60 seconds. And as always, with the spirit of having completely end-to-end digital journey, there will be no branch visit or documentation needed. With the guidance of the leadership of the bank, joining fees has been made nil right now, and there are multiple variants of the card from which a person can choose. So these are 6 key salient features of the PQCC which is getting launched today. I will just show you the real demo of the journey now to see how it actually works. Yeah, so we are on the home screen of PNB1. On the home screen itself, on the 5th row, we have pre-qualified credit card. I get to see my card variant, which I am eligible for. I'm getting a sanction limit of 2,25,000 rupees on this card. So, and all the features are here. So joining fees is nil. I have minimal annual fee, complimentary access to lounges, insurance cover, and premium health checkup. So I select the card, which I'm trying to select, and I press next. This is where the form comes up. There are 4 sections in the form: personal details, nominee details, communication details, and the auto debit mandate. I start with personal details. All my details are already filled up. I just enter my email address and my name of the card, which I'm expecting. Post which, I move to nominee details. All the details are already filled up here. There is nothing that needs to be done here. Move to communication address. My address is already filled up. I just confirm that the delivery of my card should be at this address. Finally, I move to the auto debit mandate, where I agree to the terms and conditions for this one and I submit. Post which, this is the entire customer submission part of the form. We move to the OTP part. I verify the OTP and I proceed. And that's where my virtual card gets issued. So this is the end-to-end journey for pre-qualified credit card, which has been launched. And I must take this opportunity to really thank the department, the entire IT team, digital team, including credit card vertical, who have put in the hours to actually do the testing, making sure that this journey is customer convenient. I will now move back to the other journey we are launching today, which is OD against FD. again, we sit on a huge base of fixed deposits, and online OD against FD is an untapped product for us. So for this, again, we had the journey that has been designed has 6 salient features. This is now available for FDs that have been opened in the branch. So not just for online FDs, but also FDs which have been opened in the branch. Only one OTP again is needed here, and less than 60 seconds for disbursement. We will see 3 fields that are needed to be filled up by the customer here. And we have started, the product has been launched now with an initial limit of 5 lakh rupees, post which, after seeing the quality of the book, it may be improved, and no branch visit, documentation, etc. needed for this as well. In the same spirit, I'll move to showcasing the journey for OD against FD. Yeah. So on the PNB One mobile app, I click on OD against FD. There are terms and conditions which have to be read and accepted. Right now, the limit is 5 lakh rupees. So that is the amount I am seeing on this page, which is the total amount. Suppose I do not change anything here. I agree to 5 lakh rupees. I have to enter my transaction password for PNB One to complete this transaction. And then finally, the OTP stage, where we just verify the OTP, and that is done. So this is a simple 4-click journey with no customer intervention in terms of documentation or branch visit. Clean, and customer just verifies the amount and then gets this money disbursed. So just if you just go back to the presentation, please. Yeah, I think what we've achieved across PAPL, PQCC, and OD against FD, the previous page, yeah, is that we've tried to make customer convenience at the center of the design. We've tried to make clicks as few as possible, OTP maximum 1, and the idea is to have a customer design or journey which has been tested, and this has been tested again by 500 people who have taken already this product, which went live today. So many congratulations again to everyone in this room who has helped get this journey live. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing the demo of both the journeys with us. Ladies and gentlemen, now is the time that I take the opportunity of inviting none other than our Honorable MD and CEO, Sir, Shri Atul Kumar Goyal, Sir, to please unveil the newly designed pre-qualified credit card and loan against fixed deposit. Everyone, please give a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. These are truly the best products. It is very necessary that all of our staff members should be well aware about the features and offerings of pre-qualified credit card and loan against fixed deposit. Learning and Knowledge Management Center, that is LKMC, has compiled a handbooks on pre-qualified credit card and loan against fixed deposit for staff members. These handbooks shall provide information about the journey and features of both the products. Now, I request MD and CEO Sir, ED Sirs, Shri Sanjay Varshne, Chief General Manager, DBTD, Shri V. Sundaresan, CGM Other Credit, Srimati Rita Cole, and Srimati Kumud Negi Ma'am, Chief Learning Officer, LKMC, Shri Ashish Garg, and Shri Varun Kejriwal from BCG to please come forward for launching of pre-qualified credit card and loan against fixed deposit handbooks. Everyone, please give a huge round of applause. Thank you, sirs. Now, I may request Honorable MD and CEO Sir to please enlighten us all with his valuable address. Everyone, please give a huge round of applause for MD and CEO Sir.
Very good afternoon to everybody. My colleague on the board, Sanjay ji, Dubey ji, Kalyan ji, Executive Director of our bank, and all the CGMs of the corporate office, GM of the corporate office, and the other staff of the PNB Parivar, and MD of the BCG, Ashish ji, Varun ji, and team BCG. Today is the another historical day for PNB after 6 July 2022. That time I was excited, I was thrilled. Today I am more excited than 6 July 2022. And before I start, Kalyan ji was saying PNB बदल रहा है. I think we should change PNB बदल गया है. Really, it is a very historical day. We have already launched two products, pre-qualified credit card as well as the FD against the loan against the FDR. Both are very important product for the general public. If you see the as on date, around 7.70 crore, 770 million card is already outstanding in our domestic market. And what is the future of this? Why we are launching this card? There is a reason behind that. First, it is for the customer convenience, and there is a scope is also available to market this product, because I was seeing some of the data. We are 3.3 trillion US economy, and we are going to cross 5 trillion US economy in next very few years. And if you see the global spend of the credit card, it is between 15 to 17%. And if you see the credit card market in the last 1 year, what is the growth? That growth is also very attractive in the credit card. As on date 7.7, which I told you, 7.70 crore is the total outstanding of the credit card. If you see from last year YOY growth from May to May 2022, it is more than 23%. So there is a potential available to market this product. This is the reason. And in our bank also, if you see whatever the total outstanding card against the total customer base, we are having 18 crore customer as on date, everybody knows. And outstanding card which we have issued as on date is hardly 3 lakh in the number. 3 lakh in the number. And what money we are making out of this 3 lakh crore? Around 50 crore in a year. Then you see what is the potential available issuing of the card, and also to increase the bottom line, the target for the income issuing. We will discuss later on how much card we will issue. The target from this segment for next 1 year is 200 crore rupees from this vertical as a profit center. Then we will make the back calculation how much card we have to issue to achieve the number of the 200 crore, and we will make the provision of 50 crore rupees every quarter. And we will monitor, like we have given the target of the 20 lakh crore business, 10,000 crore of the recovery number, 3,000 crore slippage, and 6,000 crore profitability. Out of this 6,000 crore rupees profitability from the next, not from this quarter, because we are left only more than 1 month. So from in the December 2022 quarter, 50 crore rupees will be the part of the operating profit from this vertical. So this is very clear. And the e-commerce also, I was just seeing ki e-commerce, as in total, what is going to be market for the e-commerce? 111 billion USD by 2025 is the market for the e-commerce, which is the CGR of more than 19% from the last 2020. So market is available, because when we are talking about the e-commerce, most of the purchase are from the online using the either debit card or the credit card. So potential is available. So what I was thinking, and one more thing, ki it is not the power of the IT, it is the power of the PNB. Because this time you have launched this product less than 1 month. It is really a power of the PNB Parivar ki we have discussed this in 18th of the July, and you have launched this project within the August itself. So it means capabilities available in the great institution, I'm telling you. Capable manpower we are having. And my compliment to all the team digital, special Mr. Dore or Mr. Sunil Goyal and Dubeji, of course, the CGM, head of the department. He's once again my request to all of you, please make a huge round of clap for all the how to market this product. 4 point Ashish has told, I have noted. 1 point is already speed of the education. I think I am not required to discuss the speed of the education. वो तो already you have proved कि you can launch this product within 25 days or less than 1 month. Second was the field to observe. The question is how to market. So my request to all of you, because there is a difference in the PAPL. pre-approved personal loan and the pre-qualified credit card. Both are different in the nature. You may not be requiring pre-approved personal loan, for which we cannot say ki at least you should use, but credit card, whether you require or not require, because for the not only the staff, I've already seen before requesting all of you to use this card. Joining fees is नॉट ओनली फॉर द स्टाफ. इफ ये होती अगर उसके लिए तो मैं भी अनाउंस कर देता स्टाफ के लिए ज्वाइनिंग फीस 0 है भाई, बट इट इज फॉर द जनरल पब्लिक आल्सो. तो माय रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, इफ रियली you want to market this product, first we should start internal marketing. 1 lakh crore dore, 1 lakh card, we have the employee of 1 lakh employee we are having. You fix the target ki how, when you will be in a position to market this product internally. Maybe 2 months, 3 months, you can fix the deadline, and you should fix ki at least by March 2023 all our employees of the bank should use this product. Because when they will use this product, if there is a issue in using this product, they will come out, they will tell you, sir ye dore ji isko kuch ye change karna padega, we are facing this problem. Because as on date, lot of other institutions are selling this product to the market. How we have to compete? Even we should be whether we can think we can complete the SBI credit card. The first internal marketing is very, very essential. And my request to all of you who are sitting there and who is joining through web also, my request, please popularize this product, please market this product and use it. Because PAPL में if you don't require, तो I cannot insist कि आप लो भी पैसा. But credit card में, at least if you are using the other credit card also, तो take the feeler of this, use this card, how it is behaving. तो दोरे जी फर्स्ट इंटरनल मार्केटिंग. एंड आई एम हैप्पी टू नोट आल्सो कि ये हम लॉन्च करते हैं तो ऐसा नहीं है कि होगा, हो चुका है. 700 कार्ड ऑलरेडी इशूड. तो माय कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू टीम डिजिटल, 700 कार्ड already has been issued before launching of it. Whether you take is a soft launch or whatever, it has already been. Second, the product of this FD, this is also a very good product, and it is not only for the those FDs who has been open online. It is also eligible for the FDs which have been opened by the branch only. So both type of FD, whether online or the physical FDR by the branches also, both are eligible for the OD against the FDR. And my request, please think immediately. We are charging 1% over the deposit rate. If we really want to market this product, at least we should make some differences. I am not interested to avail the overdraft against the FDR. I am more interested. My PNB 1 should be loaded by the customer. So there will be incentive to market this PNB 1, not only market the PNB overdraft against the FDR. So give some incentive. Ki if you will take the loan against the FDR, you have to pay 1% over the rate of interest on the FDR. But if you will avail this loan through mobile app, there is a some incentive, maybe 10 basis point, 20 basis point. कल्याण जी इसको सोचो और आज की CRMC में लेके जाओ. 10 basis, 15%, we will discuss. So there should be a incentive to the customer when they will go to the branches to avail the loan against the FDR. My staff working in the branches, they will request to the customer, sir, please download PNB 1 mobile app and you can take the loan against the PNB against the FDR by using this, and on which rate of interest is like this. So if customer is not using my PNB 1 mobile app, that there will be incentive to download the PNB mobile app. So then both we will be benefit on both the side. Ek to amount will be also be increased through this channel, and it will be hassle free. Branches it will be reduce the load of the branches also. It will be incentive to the customer also. And similarly, the third, I will be in a position to popularize my PNB one mobile. तो एक तो इसको करिए आप immediately, इसको discuss करके 10 basis पर then we discuss in the what benefits we should give to popularize this product. And Dore ji, the next step is, and I'm very happy, already 2 products we have already launched, and see the success of the pre-approved personal loan. 6th July we have launched this product, and I am happy you are also taking initiative marketing. ये daily it was going around 3 crore. एक दिन 17 करोड़ हुआ, मैं कुछ समझा कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई क्या, कुछ ये गलत हो गया क्या, कुछ 70 करोड़. How it has increased from the 3 crore to 17 crore. Then I discussed कि भाई there is some issue in the pre-approved personal. बोले नहीं, it has been started marketing from the field also. और I think last 2 days में single day more than 20 crore. Single day it has crossed 20 crore. So really we can fix a good target because NIM is very good in the pre-approved personal loan. And before coming to this, we have reviewed the delinquency also. That is negligible. Because already more than one month has already been passed, so we are also watching whether we have launched the product, it is behaving in the right way or not. Launching of a product is important, but how it is behaving. So delinquency is also very 10 या 11-12 out of 3,000 number. और उसमें भी amount will be coming immediately. So please follow up, and next month, I mean, now you can fix the target for the whatever 2 more product. एक तो KCC renewal 1.60 lakhs, and another is the Shisu Mudra by September. By September. And by September, and please think what may be the other product which is very essential we can market in the for the customer before the festival season. PAPL is the one of the product which will be very popularized during the days of the festival season. Somebody want to purchase free, somebody want to purchase, so this will be very popularized. So even we can think what incentive we should give for that particular time also, for 15 days or 1 month also we can launch some festival bonanza of the pre-approved personal loan also. Think on those lines, if our number can increase. So please think on those lines also, how we can popularize it. And once again, my compliment to all of you, not only the team digital also, because now the role of the team marketing, and I my compliment to the team LKMC also. Immediately they have created a booklet. I think you are creating the booklet before launch of the product. They are launching the product based on your booklet. And role of the Sony ji, please give the advertisement also. Both, use both the thing. We should be making the advertisement all the 3 product: PAPL, loan against the FDR, and the pre-qualified credit card. We have to use the every penny which we are making on the advertisement. So तीनों का combine करो आप, PAPL and the pre-qualified credit card, और तीसरा ये भी loan against the FDR. So once again, my compliment. I'm really very happy to see the 2 product which you have launched before the date of the commitment, and business focused upon whatever Ashish ji has told. So already when you will do the marketing, when you do the advertisement also, so we 200 crore rupees the target for the income. We are not setting the target for the how many card we have to issue. We have already given the target all the employee of the bank. They should at least use this card, and moment they will use, so our income already will increase, because income is being generated by the bank only uses of the card. And 200 crore rupees karenge bhai sab, everybody, we will see 50 crore rupees every quarter, and the profitability of the bank will increase. So once again, my thank you to all of you. A special compliment to the team digital and work of the all the marketing team and the team from the आपका corporate communication department, because now you have to play big role also. And PAPL में whatever the issue of the funnel also for the housing loan and the other car loan also, we will discuss today also, and we will finish it today only. ठीक है? Okay, all the best. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for guiding and motivating all of us. To propose the vote of thanks, now I request Shri Mahendra Dohare, General Manager, Digital Banking and Transformation Division, to kindly come forward for proposing vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable MD and CEO sir, respected ED sirs, CGM sirs, zonal heads connected virtually through WebEx, and all my dear colleagues and BCG team. Sir, Honorable MD and CEO sir, as ED sir has said that 18th July morning meeting, he has given the direction to launch these two products. And with confidence, he said that I am very sure that the team would be able to deliver it. With those words of confidence, the team has got the Philip, and today we are witnessing this event. Thank you very much, sir, for having confidence in the teams. Our ED Kalyan sir, thank you very much, sir, uh, for your involvement in every step of this development, your words of motivation and encouragement to the team. Thank you, sir. I also thank ED Sri Sanjay sir, ED Sri Dubey sir for sparing their valuable time for this event. Thank you very much, sir. I also thank the teams which have been involved in this journey, development journey, like IAD, ITD, CISO, Corporate Communication, GSAD, uh, and various other teams like Retail Asset Division and our vendor ISGL. Thank you to all of them. I also thank the BCG team for organizing this event in a big way. Thanks, BCG team. Thank you. My big thanks to Zonal Head and their teams who has started mobilizing these cards from today itself. And thank you to each one of you participating in this event. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. There is one announcement for all. Credit card and merchant acquiring business division has set up an experience center which is just located outside the multi-purpose hall. I request everyone to please visit the experience center. Thank you everyone and have a wonderful evening. Please join us for tea and snacks at cafeteria. I once again requested everyone to please join us for tea and snacks at cafeteria. Thank you.